Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to June 15th,
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today's prompt is rain photography. Let's capture the magic of the monsoon together and create memories that last a lifetime. Step 1. Observe your surroundings. Rain isn't just water, it's nature's poetry in motion. From glistening leaves to playful puddles, every drop tells a story. Let's explore the beauty of the monsoon through photography. Step 2. Experiment with angles and perspectives. Start by observing your surroundings. Capture raindrops on a leaf, ripples in puddles, or reflections in water. Experiment with different angles and let the monsoon magic unfold through your lens. Step 3. Let the kids explore. Encourage kids to take their own photos. Watch them discover new ways to see the world around them. It's a fun way to boost creativity and observation skills. Step 4. Capture family moments. Don't forget to capture family moments. Shared umbrellas, laughter in the rain, and warm cups of chai. These moments will become your cherished memories. Step 5. Create a monsoon memories album. After your shoot, take time to review the pictures, pick your favorites, and create a monsoon memories album, a keepsake that brings back the joy of rainy days. Monsoon moments may be fleeting, but the memories you create today will last forever. Grab your cameras, step outside, and let the rain tell its story through your lens.
Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team, thank you and all the best.